You know, you got this fantasy in your head about getting out of the life and setting the corporate world on its ear. What the fuck you gonna do except hustle? Besides pimping, you really ain't got the stomach for that.
The king's fucked up, niggas beats is banging, nigga.
Calls are subject to be recorded and may be monitored. You may start your conversation now.
What's happening, baby? I'm coolin'. What's happening with you, baby? I already know, man.
You gotta get the fucking eyes. They have it right now. I just got the house you woke up. I see something when you come to eat. Well, they got the camera, man. You know one thing, it's about to go viral, son. You better throw that fucking shirt on. That's house. Because he said he wanted to be like that
Any football player is suing the NCAA for failing to adequately protect student athletes from concussions.
like this.
Nigga in the car right now. Be home in the second, third, no, third, two. The father got no PD and shit popping out now. Whatever, nigga. The rest of it, ain't no clear robberies, man. Shit like that. Fucking guys, dude, get that shit back and tell you.
Say it again.
Say it.
Alright, come on. Alright. Shout out to the whole BD from Big Booty T. Like ye.
Get the butt, you guys. Get the butt.
Okay. Alright, that's not good. That's fine.
Around with it, dog. Big dog. Yeah, you know me already. Yeah, dog, we out here.
We out here, man. Fuck with it, man. You know what it is, man. BD all day. Rock shit, man. What it do, man? Niggas out there, big dog. Yeah. Niggas think, what do I think, man?
Huh?
Do I fucking drink? Bro, big dog. My niggas money. You know, ain't no fucking just rap or something. Just do the street shit, man.
It's real life,
Ain't
for
no
real.
rap money yet, man. Right. Blah. Real talk, man. Fuck with a nigga, big dog, man. Yeah. My nigga Mark showing us love, you understand? Shout out there. You remember got all this topic percolating for us, man. And trying to reach us, you know, contact and all that, you know. But you connect good music out for y'all, man. Ain't y'all hit some shit. You know, got a couple other things to drop. Big dogs do something, dog. Real shit.
You're now listening to A-Rod Music.
Welcome to the jungle, no prince or king.
That shit real, dog. Cabin in the lip, dog.
Let me see the shit, man.
Shit real, dog. Real shit, dog.
One of the most notorious rap groups from the motherfucking West Bank, the Best Bank, representing that for real Louisiana.
All right.
Lancashire area.
Big dog, you know, kill him. That's what it is. Nigga trying to eat the game. That's what it is. Fuck.
Believe that,
Big
believe
dog
that.
in the building.
Big dog money man right here, you understand? Nigga trying to fuck over the game with this new big dog shit, you know?
Who we got you?
This book, man. This big dog in the tent, man. Yeah, like this shit. We just trying to eat just like everybody else, you know?
You might want to speak up too.
We got big BTEJ Young. You're live in effect. We just trying to take over the game, you know, show people what we about. Let them know where we coming from. Yeah.
That's it?
Big dog snack, man. Niggas trying to eat, trying to bring out the hood. All that's it. Lancashire, big dog room, man. You know what it is, man. Trying to get it out to me in the middle, man. That's all, man.
Whoa.
nigga scared. Blam, that nigga dead. Scams, I'm never scared. My head, I keep it up cause I'm a real G. My mind is made up so nigga feel me. Yeah, we getting bread. Damn, them niggas scared. Blam, that nigga dead. Scams, I'm never scared. My head, I keep it up cause I'm a real G. Word. My mind is made up so nigga feel me. We getting bread, damn, them niggas scared. Man, I'm getting fed, my bitch is something red. Smoking until I'm dead, Jay, he got the lead. Blam, that nigga dead, shh, ain't gotta say it. Yeah, I know how to play it, niggas be getting drove. I was up in the yo, my cousin was on the stove. Drugs is in my flow, homie come get a dose. If she keep getting close, I disappear with your hoe, nigga.
Bitch, we swagged out the day. Racks in my right pocket, stacks in my left. Bitch, we swagged out the day. Yo, bitch on my dick, that's why you acting like that. Bitch, we swagged out the day. Racks in my right pocket, stacks in my left. Bitch, we swagged out the day. Yo, bitch on my dick, that's why you acting like that.
Left pocket 10 stacks, right pocket match that. By the ball, I don't drink though. Boy, that just that cash. I don't like the brag, but I got my rag all black like my strap. Big dog on the map.
I say nowadays, homies naked for $1 bill. But I'm full throttle, I'm a shadow when I'm clapping still. Keep a llama, bringing drama, let them know it's real. Got a couple commas, you can find us in the fucking field. Strapped up, I'ma spray before you kill mine. That's my backbone, nigga gotta keep a spine. Niggas hate with this fuck 'em, I never fuck with them. It's only blood that I'm trusting, so motherfucker friend. Think you real, but it's real when them shots spray. I kill when your mouth say I'm real, bitch, I'm about J. Starting out on them bitches, know I'm about green. Stepping out with my niggas, never without green. Putting shots in them niggas talking about schemes. Leaving sleep with them pistols talking without dreams. Deserving without fiends. Boom, me, I live my life on the edge like pledge white, nigga barely stop at red lights. Mid pipe bringing, headlights stinking, thread like semen, paid like breezing. Jones Drew, nigga get your own crew. Booby said be bout that shit, don't speak on what you gon' do. You a fake ass nigga, huh? And you overput down, faded and popping bottles on bitches that overlook me. Patient, I feel it pushing my front the truth in the pen. I'm hearing shit in these streets, hope we ever do it again. I'm spitting smooth from within, gripping tools is a sin. Family view of a friend, channel news I'm again. I'm a killer first, and I'ma drop that. My Ruger on me, nigga.
I'm saying, yeah, Twin Tower great. Out shit, man, like, yeah, man. 6 summers, but like, yeah, I'm back, bitch ass, like, yeah, son. My dunnage, we gonna hold this bitch down. You hear me? Like, nigga come through this bitch playing, yeah, we squeezing all the dump. Nigga shy for real, man. Fuck the rest, you hear me? Yeah, man. I let my little cousin here, yeah, my little brother Gunner by yeah, you already know it's done with him. Brother cool, you already know how we rocking out here, man. This is all, yeah, man. You hear me? The butter, man. Love, nigga shy for real, bitch.
Could've sworn last year was my worst year. Had my nigga riding in the hearse, yeah. Can't see my mom face, I don't drop a tear. Shots fired with Shelly sleep, silly me, go hang with Shelly B. I love her to death, that's why I shot first. Have no regrets, don't know what's next. Blazing nails, reading mail. Couple homies doing years, the streets is stone cold, straight raw. Monday night wrestling, big homie rock it up, smell what he cooking. I got 3 friends, wish I had the money to buy them 3 bands. Can't put a price on the love, just wanna show them that I appreciate them. Can't believe I was
As the time goes, niggas change for the better or the good. Hate up on your name, then get caught up in the bird making names. True niggas right, I done seen my own homie on NOLA.com. If you're looking for me, you can find me on KeepItReal.com. No story I tell is a lie. I done seen it like when my dog died. Want the F niggas gon' ride if I die. Hate to see Shelly cry.
You ain't getting money, I ain't trying to link with you.
Real talk.
That's really that's gonna get you, hear me? I'm Danny, Mid, man, Outlaw, however you wanna call me. See me when you see me, you hear me? And that's real as that's gonna get.
I always want to fly cold, fly shoes, fly hoes. The birds like dominoes, cause all they do is fold. Yeah, I don't never play that stake cause I keep it silent. I lost a fucking homie cause I ain't like the way he rockin'. He started talking to the people, so he started copying. So I just feel like that cool cause I started dropping. And dropping any fucking nigga come in my path. I'm a one-man homie, so feel my wrath.
What, Mo? Hey, you know, L's up, nigga, shout, yeah, you know, man. Shout out to BD, man. Yeah, man, go with the movie, man.
Oh, dude.
Trying to get his bird, man.
I see you over there, daddy, shining and shit. Staring at your blank, huh, bitch?
Trying to stunt. Look at him. The Fresh G. The Fresh G.
Yeah, you finessing all, man.
Finessing. I see him.
Got finessing clothing coming out too, yeah,
bro.
You already know, BD shit, you hear me?
Last time we was in the club, he paid like 2 girl colors. How much money he is? I was like, God damn, son.
Real life.
Had me trying to compete. I had to pay the fucking insurance, car note, house note.
I'm pocket money, you know what I'm saying? Pocket money.
Finessing and scratching.
I ain't no more.
Finessing and scratching.
When you get your bank up, the whole chase, huh? Yeah. Hey, we got that beginning coming. You heard me? That's my shit. You heard me? We got that L's up, M's down, Ruben.
Be on all that. That's gonna be on that pill. Live mixtapes, all that. We gonna be heavy promotion, no bone shit, all crack. You hear me? Gonna come back.
Shouts out to the hood, you know, Lane and Shine. Stand up. Made me who I am today. My niggas with me. You heard me? Growed up with me. You heard me? Same niggas that go always be around me, you know. Never forget about my dudes and where the fuck I come from.
Oh yeah, rest in peace to that boy Dig too, man. You already know.
Rest in peace, Dig and Marty, run nigga to the coast.
Nigga status.
You hear me? Rest in peace, Dig and Marty. Shout out to the homie Squeak too. Nigga took his life about some bullshit. Rest in peace to the homie Squeak. How you take the coolest nigga in the hood?
Shit. And free A, Pit, Sherm,
all the big dogs, man.
Chucky, all y'all.
All the big dogs. Can't forget about nobody.
I see you, Diesel. You know, big dogs right here, real talk. You know how it be. Same shit every day, how we live, you know. Say shit, say that, do this, do that.
You already
dudes ain't
know.
living
If
like
you love
that.
your nigga, hug your nigga. Love your nigga, hug your nigga.
Nigga really living like this for real every day, no lie, real rap. Nigga not gonna lie, none of these lines like, you know, you got niggas that's all that. Yeah, rapping, they ain't about that, man. We living like that. Niggas shy niggas, dog.
Stand up.
Big dog. We on the map.
Pigs.
Doing the hard like that, you know. Mororo, M-Town, you know, nigga trying to do it, bring it back to the bricks where we at.
And full effect with it, dog.
And shout outs to all my dudes, you know, it's like a couple of y'all, I fucks with y'all. I can't really name everybody because I fuck around and miss some names, and then when I come to hood, they go like, bitch, you ain't my name. You know I fuck with y'all, it's all love. What's time, baby? Fuck with me, you know. We gonna be at the top soon. Well, fuck with your boy. It's your boy. Hey, out.